What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Air Jordan 3 Valentine. This will be a sneaker review and also an on-foot video. Alright, y'all, so this is a very, very special video because my first shoe review were the Soulmate Dunks, the 2024 Valentine's Day shoe release. So this makes my 1 year anniversary of doing shoe reviews. So this is kind of like a sweet moment for me to be here yet another year with y'all and be able to do this Valentine's Day review. So thank y'all for watching. Alright, this is what the box looks like. I actually really like the box. I like the color. This is what it looks like. This is the label. The size tag reads Washed Coral Gem Red Sale. Alright. As you can see, as we open up the box, it has some hearts and then it has the Jumpman on it. I think that's a cute feature too. I like that they put in a lot into these like shoes and stuff like this. They put in a lot of detail on the paper in the box, the color of the box. I like all of it. And I also really like this color. Y'all know I like pink and I do like red as well. So I do like this tumble leather of that washed coral color. I think that's really cute. I do like this elephant print. It's kind of like a shiny pinkish purple. And then on the back as well. I also like this material they have by the laces, by the eyelets, and then on near the sock lining. I do like that material. And then we have a off-white midsole with the air sole. And then we have a pink semi-translucent bottom. I really like the bottom as well. And then as you can see, we have like some charms on the shoe. Not a big fan of charms. I just don't really like charms on shoes that much. So I'm not really a big fan of it. I would take it off, but I guess it's a cool feature for the shoe. And then we have a Jumpman on the tongue and the back of that gem red color. Then we have that gem red color on right here. And like I said, on the back. And then I didn't go over this on the bottom where it says Jordan. It's that gem red color. Really like these shoes. It is a women's shoe. They come out February 1st. So before I forget, the sock lining material, very soft. I like the overall like texture and just material of everything on the shoe. I think they use some pretty good material on the shoe. I also really like the material near the eyelets. It's like a satin material. And then it's also near the sock lining right here. Like I said before, I really like the details of the shoe. I think they put a lot of thought into this shoe. They are coming out February 1st. This is a women's release. So I honestly say it's a definite must cop. I really, really like the colors. I like all the things like the detailing of the shoe. Like I said, I don't really like charms on shoes, so I would definitely take it off. I just don't like it. It's kind of extra to me. It's 2 on the left shoe and then 1 on the right shoe. I'm going to just give y'all a quick little glimpse of the right shoe.
Paper talk, I'm extra. Oh, it's 2400, nigga. If you talking paper, I'm hanging up in the discussion. I'm trying to turn this to a 4 and snatch a 2-seat. I know a nigga got 10 souls, he a zookeeper. The shit I'm rapping, I be standing on it. X on his head, them bullets landing on it. I bet I cash out every time. What you niggas renting? Can't give up.
Definitely like the shoe. I think I like these more than the Soulmate Dunks. Actually, probably a lot more than Soulmate Dunks. I like 3s. I like a light pink color. Like I said, pink is probably my favorite color. So the Soulmate Dunks were red. These are pink. And I just like the overall details. Like I like the satin material. I like the sole. I like the translucent bottom. Like this is a really, really nice shoe. I have been interested in the rust pink 3s for some time now, and I do like the rust pink 3s more than this one. I just feel like it looks better. Like this is a solid shoe, but I feel like in terms of color and just overall style, I like the rust pink better than these, so I would definitely pick the rust pink 3s over these shoes. But if you don't have access to the rust pink 3s and it might be a little more pricier for you, I definitely say this is a definite must grab. Like I said, February 1st, women's release. This is called the Valentine's Day Jordan 3s. So if you like these, you should definitely cop them. Okay, I do think Nike did their big one by putting these shoes out before Valentine's Day, because it's been after the day of, it's just been stuff like that. So for these to come out February 1st, so people have time to get these shoes, I think definitely Nike did a big one on that one. So definite must cop. Like I said, February 1st, don't forget. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I do have some videos coming out, so make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. And thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in a studio.